Four-digit number.
Yeah, sir.
2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, first, if you multiply this number by 11, first in line, this is multiplied by 11. The first number is 5, then 4 plus 5 is 9, 3 plus 4, 7, then 2 plus 3, 5, then copy 2 on the last part. So if you multiply 2,345 by 11, so the answer is 25,795. So these are one technique in multiplying by 11. Okay? So to everyone, goodbye and thank you for your listening.